The nature of what you need to do with customer experience is in the name. You need to experience what the service is as a customer. Throughout the entire organisation, everyone should go back to the floor to experience for themselves what it's like to transact. This observation and experience is known as a service shadow. By conducting service shadows regularly, collecting evidence through photos, for example via a mobile phone, you can quickly spotlight underperforming areas or opportunities to inject more of your organising idea. Once an organisation understands customer needs and goals, the mission is to set about answering them. This is the heavy lifting work of experience, not the fun or delightful part, but building the foundations for everything else. Frequently, organisations want to rush this part, moving quickly onto the more entertaining things. In the experience pyramid, you can firstly see that the organisation needs to completely satisfy the utility, meeting needs. It doesn't have to be pretty or easy. These can be thought of as mandates, and without them, there is no permission to play. Secondly, the usability step brings about reducing friction and making things easier to use. And only when this intensive work is complete can the organisation move on to the third stage, creating pleasure, often the realm of marketing. Ask yourself, do we fully understand the customer's goals and are we fully satisfying them? When managing service shadows, it can be useful to have a simple journey model that catalogues all of the steps and available channels. You need a good breadth and depth across the whole journey to form a rich picture. A simple service such as a Trello board with voting capability can be used to indicate specific channels, for instance, a contact centre and the journey steps such as product support. Over time, you'll be able to spot areas that are underrepresented.